Fritz, you've got to let us see our Fritz.
I'm sorry,
Where is he? What
girls.
have you done with him?
You can't go in there. Yeah, you just can't. I'm sorry, girls. He's under house
Let us
arrest.
see him, oh, please.
No one gets in.
He's hurt.
The Lord Jesus, and shalt believe in thine heart that God hath raised him from the dead.
I reckon he must be through. Finished.
Let's dig one of those little greasy truck stops. I'd like to talk with those truck drivers, you know? Hear what they got to say about life on the road. Yeah, I bet they got wild stories of the road. Drivers, trucks, hijackers, fights? Yeah, let's do
Here's a good place. I'll have your deluxe steak with salad and coffee, black.
All right, and what would you like, sir?
Oh, that was really a fine steak. You can always depend upon Howard Johnson's.
Let's get back on the road, huh?